these are the things that I could never do without, the things that you could never catch my bag without. Every single time I have a bag on my shoulder, over my shoulder, and moving around on the street, if you snatch that bag off me and did a runner with it and opened it up somewhere in the nearby bushes, you're definitely going to find these items, these 5 items right inside my bag. Would you like to see what those 5 items are? I take it it's a no. But you have no choice. Because you're watching me. Come on, let's see what I have in my bag. Yes, it's all about, this channel is all about my diaspora life, and that includes my bag. First item. Yes, I know, it's so cliche now. Every single person who has done this video has included a phone, but we are all trapped. We are all like stuck in this phone problem. Yeah, you couldn't possibly do without your phone. If it's not in your bag, then it will be in your pocket somewhere. And yes, we all moan, whine, whinge, whatever we want to call it. We all complain that this thing is like a nightmare, but yet we cannot do without it. I call it my personal assistant. Yeah, because keeping the time, just doing everything, basic things that I need to do, keeping in touch with everybody back home, and making sure that I stay on top of everything I'm doing is all done in here. My life is all coordinated in here. So yeah, there we are. I couldn't possibly do without my phone. That is the first thing that I usually have in my bag. Yeah. The other thing that I couldn't possibly do without is my purse, my wallet, whatever you want to call it, where I put my money or my stash of cards. Yeah, I couldn't possibly do without it. That one is from Ted Baker's, and I can definitely in another video tell you about this purse and what I have inside it. Yeah, but that's my purse. I couldn't do without it. I've got all my bank cards, debit cards, credit cards. I've got all my store cards, Tesco's, Asda's. I've got my driving license. Just my whole life is in here. So it's very important to me. So my purse is something that goes into my bag and must always be in my bag if I'm going out, like going out proper. Not just going, you don't take your bag when you're going to have a walk around the street or going for a run. When you take your bag is when you're going out, you're driving off somewhere. Maybe you want to go do some shopping, or you want to go visit your friend, and you might need some cash or some cash in your bag, or some cash that you can pick up on the road as you're going. Then this is very important. It's essential. It's got to be in your bag. That's mine. Number 2. Number 3, you guys, you know that your girl, your sister, your mommy, whatever you want to call me, your auntie, your auntie is getting close to the golden age. And when you're, as a woman, when you start getting close to that golden age, your brain starts getting very active. Yeah. Your brain starts getting overreactive. So I'm getting to that age now when I have to put everything down into my journal, or else I'm literally going to forget it. I even forget my name sometimes. I have to look inside here to say, what is your name again? So yes, this is my planner, so day by day, and especially as per my teacher life, I've got to put in all the people I'm teaching every day, all the subjects I'm teaching every day, or topics I'm teaching every day, and everything goes into this planner, and it helps me to stay organized. Or just my to-do list, or things that I have to stay on top of. If you take this away from me, I'm going to be kind of like, I will lose my spatial awareness. I'm going to fall down flat. My number 4 thing are my reading glasses and my sunglasses. There's a little bit of eye thing going on in my family, so I do not joke with my eyes. I have to go see my optician once every year, and I've been advised by them that I have to have my sunglasses every time I'm going out. So every single time I step out of the house, I must have my sunglasses and my reading spectacles, my reading glasses. I have these for reading, and I've got my sunglasses that I take out to protect my eyes from the sun rays. To make sure that I have my sunglasses when I'm out and about. So I always have that in my bag, and I always have my reading glasses so that I can see and I can answer to you guys to your notifications. If not, you'll be seeing all my spelling errors and all my everything, dropping of words and all that. Yeah. Last but not the least of the things that go into my handbag is my makeup bag. Another bag inside the bag. Yes, my makeup bag goes into my handbag, which goes onto my shoulder. And yes, and that's important because you know, we just have to do a little touch up here and there every now and again, so that you can, you know, looking good is good business. You just have to stay on top of it. Yeah. So my makeup bag, in another video I'm probably going to show you everything that I have in my makeup bag. Yeah. So yeah. Now, these were not things that I would normally carry around in my bag, but you guys, you know that we are making history together. We are alive and making history together. So this is not part of the 5 normally, but now it's 5+. Yeah, I now have 5+ now because of the whole situation. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So I have hand sanitizers, and I have antibacterial, antiviral hand wipes. Yeah, so these are always in my bag since from the onset of this whole drama. And being a teacher, I usually used to have one in the classroom to wipe things down sometimes when I'm uncomfortable, or just to wipe my hands when I'm not feeling too sure and I don't have water nearby. But now it's always in my bag. So guys, those are my 5+ items. I hope you found them interesting, because they're interesting. I hope you found them interesting, because it's interesting to know that I have all those things and I take them around every single time. There's one thing which is in my bag which I didn't share with you guys. It's not part of those things, everything that is there. It's a very important thing that every woman carries around in their bag. So I'm guessing you know what that is, something to do with sanitary. It's right in my bag as well as I'm speaking to you. That's another thing that is there as well. So yeah, those are everything. Those are the things in my bag that I couldn't possibly do without. And thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed it. Hope you feel informed. I was tagged to do this video by my darling sweetheart Debbie Tom. Debbie, I hope you like my version of this video, of your video, yeah, of your 5 essential things video. Guys, if you haven't got Debbie, I'm going to leave Debbie's channel, the link to Debbie's video, and if you haven't seen her video, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. And Debbie is a very supportive YouTuber. If you'd like to connect with her, yeah, you can get in touch with Debbie and tell her, let her know that you're coming straight from Gladys, yeah, that you're one of my buddies, yeah, and she's going to connect with you. Thank you for watching. Bye.